So my name is Asiya, and I have been a corporate trainer and facilitator for about 5 years now. I come with a good corporate background also. Uh, the reason why I wanted to come for the 12 days immersion program with Sunil sir was that though I have been into this field for quite some time now, but I always thought that there was something missing. There were some tools missing, there were some strategies missing, there were some techniques missing in the way I was conducting the trainings. So I found that missing piece here with Sunil sir. So my journey with Rise Academy started 3.5 years back when I attended the Millionaire Mind program. Post that, I attended the Mind Power program as well, and I thought that this is the path I want to go, and I found my niche also over here. When I attended this 12 days program, first of all, I also experienced that I went through a lot of transformation as a human being myself, and that experience and that expertise now I'm going to use to transform other people around me. And in fact, the way Sunil sir has structured this entire program, it is so easy now that I have all the tools to start right from tomorrow. And this is the first time I've seen that a TTT program equips you so well as a trainer. And I would recommend that all those who want to take this path, who want to make a difference to the world, who is passionate about transforming lives, should definitely attend this program, because sir is so selfless. He has not only designed the program well, but I also saw and experienced that he just selflessly gives everything to you. So equips you completely to go out and start transforming people. Of course, it has impacted my own life, because before coming to the TTT program, I had lost some clients of mine because I was on a sabbatical. But then I saw that in the workshop itself, after following the mind techniques and the daily rituals that sir teach, I saw that in the workshop itself, two of my clients called back and they came on board. I got other projects during the workshop itself. So basically it's all about the manifestation that sir teaches us, and it actually gets manifested. That's my experience. And not only me, in fact, all the participants experienced some or the other output from this during the workshop itself. So like right from tomorrow, we are going to start training people, transforming people, and making a difference to the world. I definitely would like to say that Rise Academy is doing a very good job by making so many coaches like sir. So we are like, Sunil sir is definitely good, and he is making many more coaches like him to spread this work to the entire world. And I wish Rise all the best. I really like the support that the Rise Academy staff gives. They take care of everything, logistics and all the technical part, and they're very supportive, very loving. They make you feel as if you're a part of the academy, and there's a lot of sense of belongingness that they instill in us, and I'm very happy to be a part of Rise. Thank you.